Yo, what's the deal, YouTube? You're watching Stock Vision, the channel where we talk about the stock market and we make money in the stock market. Now, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Tell everyone that you know so we can all make this money grow together. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about three stocks. I'm going to jump right into it. Now, the first stock that we're looking at right now is Marathon Oil, ticker symbol MRO. Now, the first thing I want you to notice on this chart is that red line. Okay, so that red line is a 200-day moving average. It's basically a barometer for the long-term sentiment of the stock. Is it bullish or is it bearish? So when it's above that 200-day moving average, that's bullish sentiment for the long term. Couple of things I want you to notice. You can see here, it hit this red line, the 200-day moving average, and it bounced off of it, right? Didn't hit it again. So that was December 2020 where it hit it that first time. Then it came back, hit it again August 2021, and then it bounced off. You can see, bounced off. And it hasn't touched it up until last week, which is the 23rd of June. So that was last week. It's been in an uptrend for a while. It hit a 52-week high on May 31st, and then it hit the seller. Boom, right? Went all the way down. But last week on the 23rd, it came close to hitting the 200-day moving average. You can see came a couple of cents away. 21.71 the stock hit. The 200-day moving average was at 21.62, so 9 cents away. Same thing on the next day. It was literally 15 cents away. And then today, it printed a green candle like it's going to bounce off this 200-day moving average as support. Okay, so that is something we want to keep on our watch list. This definitely does look like something that's going to be bouncing off support and moving to the upside. You can see these green lines that I drew on the chart as well. These are gaps that are on the chart. Remember, gaps get filled 90% of the time. So we have one gap at $24.66, and we have another gap at $27.42. Currently, right now, the stock is at $23.12. So even if it went up to $24.66, that's another 4-5% that it can increase from here. So that's already a good return. Remember, we always want to look at the 10% mark for when we're definitely thinking about selling something. Okay, so that's something we always want to keep in mind when we're trading. The 10% or higher mark, you definitely want to think about selling. Don't get greedy. It's going to be hard because when you see that money rising, it's a rush. You're going to be like, ooh, and it's one of the best feelings you can have. But if you're going to trade, you want to make sure you stay disciplined. So this is something that looks promising to bounce up. Could even do a V-shaped recovery where it bounces all the way down and then bounces all the way back up. So keep it on your watch list. This definitely looks like something. I mean, oil prices are going to stay elevated for a while, I think at least, but you never really do know. The next stock we're going to look at is Next Decade. Next Decade works with liquefied natural gas, or LNG. That is something that's cleaner gas. It's something that the future is looking for greener alternatives. So this has also been on an uptrend. You can see it going up. We're on the daily chart. So each one of these candles represents 1 day of trading action. It's been on an uptrend. It hit a 52-week high back on May 31st of $8.10. And then it went down, literally straight down pretty much. This here is playing with the 200-day moving average, that red line. So it came down to the penny, $4.55. The stock hit. The 200-day moving average was $4.55 to the penny. Now today it printed a green candle. So is this going to bounce up off this 200-day moving average and move now to the upside? Is this going to create a V? That's definitely something that can possibly happen. But this market's volatile. It's very uncertain. There's a lot of things going on. No one really knows. So that is a possibility. There is a gap on this chart at $4.11. So there is a possibility. It can break through that line and fall back down. And if it breaks that line for support, then there's trouble. It can literally hit this 411 gap, fill it, and then go up, or it can just keep going down. So that's why we're going to keep it on our watch list. Now, this definitely doesn't confirm to me that it's going to bounce back up, but these two stocks definitely have the potential to be popping up the next couple of trading days. So make sure you keep it on your watch list. The next stock we're going to be looking at is Oportun Financial. So this came across um, my path. I don't even know, to be perfectly honest. I watch a lot of stocks. I have over 140 stocks. I'm always looking at different stocks, adding new stocks. So this company, a couple of things I want you to notice right off the bat. You see all these E's down here? This is their earnings. So they report earnings for every quarter. For those of you that don't know what a quarter is, it's 3 months out of the year where the company report their financials, how much income they made, their revenue, all the details. Look, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven in a row are green. Green means they beat earnings estimates for what Wall Street was estimating they were going to make. They beat it. They just been killing it. Revenue's been going up. Their EPS, earnings per share, is outstanding. 1.58, which is amazing. So it's also, so looking at the chart, it's just been going down, straight down. Most stocks don't go straight in a straight down. They have a little pullback like there, a little pullback, but for the most part, it's just been going down. Hit a 52-week low on the 24th, which was last Friday, and then today it printed this big green candle. I have a line drawn at $8.19 to see if this could act as support for where it hit that 52-week low. And it has been only on the market since 2019. It did interact with that price. You can see right here a couple of times it hit it. So that could indicate that this could be some support to where the stock now could hit its bottom. The bottom's in, and now it's time to go up. All right, so we're going to get in that elevator, hopefully go to the top floor. But just the earnings and things, and sometimes Wall Street doesn't really, they're late and they don't realize things until later on. So this stock does look promising to me. OPRT. So that's today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. More importantly, I hope you made some money in the market watching my videos. That's what it's all about here at Stock Vision. As always, when you watch this channel, make sure you smash that like and subscribe button. Tell everyone that you know so we can all make our money grow together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.